Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let us see how to fry lady's finger in an air fryer. It is always healthier to eat dishes with less of oil. Here in an air fryer we use minimum amount of oil to fry a lady's finger and it will be very healthy. Now let us see how to fry. For this I have taken 500 grams of lady's finger, washed well, cleaned and chopped into small pieces. Along with this I have taken some masala powders, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of chana dal powder and salt as required. At first, let us mix all the powders with lady's finger and toss well. As the vegetable is dry, the masala powders will not bind with the lady's finger. For this, we shall add half a teaspoon of vegetable oil and mix well. You can also toss well for mixing. Now let us sprinkle or put some oil in the tray of the fryer. We will transfer this 500 grams of lady's finger to the tray. And close it. Let us set 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. In between, we shall remove the tray and mix the vegetable. In this 20 minutes of frying, once again I will remove it and mix well. You can also toss this tray and fry again. And now it's done. You can transfer this crispy lady's finger fry to a serving bowl and serve hot. It tastes yummy with curd rice. If you like this video, share with your friends. I have also shared the related links in the description. Please subscribe for my channel. Also click the bell icon for notifications for my future videos. Thank you.